Prep2 students, welcome back. Today we are going to speak about the project. Mainly we'll speak about the second project, the overpopulation and food security. If we suppose that you are going to write about this topic, the second topic, we have sent already via WhatsApp some forms that can help you to write the project. Let's speak about this one, the overpopulation and food security. How can you write it? We have sent for you, all of you, this format. In this format here, you will start with the title. You will use an attractive title. You will not write overpopulation and food security. No, you will choose an attractive one, and you will write it in English and in Arabic. Here in the second part, you will write your code. You write your code that you have already got from the Ministry of Education. Then we will write an introduction about 70 or 80 words in English and in Arabic. Here, then the research components or the main ideas, you will write in English, but according to the subject that you have. For example, here, I have here this one, the population and the food security. Check the main points, like this one, for example, the first one. Your research should include a clarification of the relationship between the overpopulation and food security, given example from Islamic history. So this point is mainly in social studies in Arabic, so you have to write it in Arabic, not in English. The second point, writing a guiding paint in the part of the picture in Arabic and in another language that includes suggestions to solve the problem of overpopulation. So this point, you will write it in both languages, one in English and one in Arabic, or you write it in Arabic, then you translate it in English, okay? So it's only one, but you have write it in both languages, okay? Then the next part, a search of the algebraic amount. So this part is about math, and you study math in English, so you will do it also in English. So first part, as we said, it's from Islamic history. You will write it in Arabic because you study social studies in Arabic. The second part, this paint or this guiding part, you will write it in English and in Arabic, or in Arabic, then you translate it into English. Then this part, the algebraic amounts, you will write it in math. You can ask the math teacher about it. Also, the next part, use what you have studied in math to represent this data and predict the number of population in the future through the current rates. So also this part, we have studied math in English, so you can use English in it. The last one, the last point in this research, write a short essay in Arabic to raise awareness in your current society about the negative effects of overpopulation, and then translate some sentences into another language. So you will write it here in Arabic. This part is related to Arabic. You have to write it in Arabic, and then you can translate some sentences in English only, not all the article or not all the essay. So one more time, let's revise what I have said together. We suppose that you choose the second project. We'll have more videos about the first and the third project. The second project here, this is the form we said. You write the title of the project, second project, an attractive title in English and in Arabic, student code, write it in English or in Arabic, okay? Then the introduction, you can write it in English and Arabic, introduction about the subject. Here the component. So I discussed the points that we have in the research, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points. I said which one should be in English and which one should be in Arabic. The first part we said it must be in Arabic because you have it in Islamic history, it must be in social studies Arabic. The second point, you write it in English and in Arabic, or Arabic and translate it into English. Then here math in English. Then here also math in English, and here you write it in Arabic. Then you translate some sentences in English. Here, all the components, the images that you can use for the math and these things. Then the end, or the learning outcomes, the results. What have you learned from this research? And you can write it in English. The last part, you write the references. Which references, or what references did you use? Did you use the school books? Did you use any website? Something like this. Okay, that's all about the second project. We don't have much material from the English books, but we have in this part from the SSA, the Social Studies Arabic, and the math part. I hope that I could help you in this video. In the next videos, we will discuss the first and the third project. Good luck, stay safe, and goodbye.